This is the Reporter's Notebook, hosted by Elaine Shane.
Welcome to this entry in the DTN Reporter's Notebook. We're joined today with DTN Ag Meteorologist Bryce Anderson, and we're looking at the summer outlook for crops. Looking at the growing season, is there any common themes, I guess, from the past few years?
Well, there is certainly one, Elaine. It's general, and that is that we have seen extremes. Go all the way back to 2008 when we had flooding that created a delayed situation for corn crops and for planting. 2009, it was again a delayed planting situation, and then a very cool summer and a harvest that basically lasted all winter for that year. In 2010, there was a very quick start because of dry and mild conditions, and then things turned off pretty hot and dry later on in the season. 2011, there was tremendous flooding. We know that caused a very delayed start again to planting, and followed by another round of late summer heat and dryness that took the edge off yields. And then 2012, you had the drought of 2012 basically all year, the warmest year in many states' entire history.
So what are the intermediate features that you're seeing coming up?
There are two things that have been kind of out there in terms of affecting the atmospheric patterns for quite a while now. And the first one is the pervasive drought out of the southwestern plains. That doesn't show any signs of going away, unfortunately. And another feature that we have seen fairly recently, in fact, during mid to late winter and throughout the spring, was blocking high pressure over the higher latitudes. That kind of messes with the whole atmospheric airflow, and it led to some delays in the start of planting for this season. It also has led to some flooding, very heavy springtime rains. Those two factors are going to kind of compete, we think, in terms of how they're going to affect the overall summertime for this year.
Thanks, Bryce.
You're welcome.
With Bryce Anderson, I'm Elaine Shane, and that's today's entry in the DTN Reporter's Notebook. Thanks for joining us.
This has been the Reporter's Notebook from the DTN Progressive Farmer Newsroom.